Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey, and I have a completed journal to share with you. The beginnings of this journal, the process videos or tutorials are available on this channel. I'll link to those in the description box below if you would like to check them out. The base of this, I believe, was Amazon packaging. It's been a while. Took me a while to finish it, but this is what it looks like. It's more of a long style journal. It measures approximately 6 by 12, and the spine area is around 2 inches and it opens to approximately 4 inches. It is exposed stitching on the spine. This is what it looks like. Um, this is the back of it from the top, bottom, and then this is the side. Okay. And it does have these beaded dangles. It has approximately 120 pages, give or take, for some of the smaller pages. Some I counted, some I didn't. And this is what it looks like. Okay. Again, it's approximately 6 by 12. It has scrapbook papers, tea stain papers, uh, just a variety of different papers. Some are misprints and just a lot of upcycled elements as well as new pieces. So it has these lace and fabric pockets in the front. There is a spot here for a pen or a pencil right here. I didn't put anything in here because I just don't feel like, even though I have some fancy pens, I just don't think they're suitable. So I left it empty. And then these are ephemera pieces in the front pocket. Got a couple of envelopes that can be used. This is an envelope made with misprints or leftover planner inserts. And then these are tickets, but they are also stickers. Right. So this is scrapbook paper. I got envelope made with packaging, journaling card. I'll get it back in. Another little envelope, another journaling card. It's coffee or tea stain. Then this opens up. It's got some stenciling with texture paste or modeling paste. And this closes back up. So you got the belly band and some extra writing space. Vellum with a lace trim, tags and pockets. So then we have a grungy envelope here made with book pages. There's a video on the channel showing how I make those. Then we have a postcard and tuck spot of vellum here, and then another little journaling card. This is all a belly band. Some writing paper, pink writing paper, a journaling card clipped onto the paper. This is a pocket. It's a tuck spot here, journaling card here. Oh, and also this journal is 3 signatures, if I didn't mention that. So that is the journal. I'm calling it a ladies' journal, mm, but it does have its grungy elements. It's pretty heavy, and I think I left lots of space to add your own ephemera photos. If you would like to purchase this journal, you can message me on social media. My information is in the description box below. But yeah, this is the finished journal. And I didn't mention it has some pink tulle around the edges. I don't think I mentioned that. Very light pink tulle and a lace edge, like a crochet lace. So that's another look at it. There she is on the cover in her lace dress. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm hoping to finish more of these that I've started and never really finished or did flip throughs for them. So look for those coming soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.